Okay, so baby, another really good introduction type of conversation explanation is what the heck do you do? So, how would I say in Dutch or Nederlands? I am a fitness coach. Ik?
You know how to say
Ik ben fitness coach. Ik ben een fitness coach.
Ja.
Ik ben gezondheidscoach.
Ja.
Yeah, gezondheid. Many of you that are native English speakers may have heard of gezondheid or something similar like gezondheid or gezondheid. So that means health. So I would be saying ik ben een gezondheidscoach.
Okay.
I am a health coach, yeah?
I have to interrupt.
Oh.
Gesundheit is ein bisschen Deutsch.
Yeah. It sounds so similar though.
No,
Okay, wait.
It's not too far.
In German, Gesundheit is God bless you or bless you. What is it in Dutch? Nee.
In English, when you say Gesundheit, it means...
Well, that's what I mean. It's the phrase, okay. In German, the phrase that when someone sneezes, you know, in English, it's bless you or God bless you. The same in German is Gesundheit. Now, in Dutch, please, baby, how would you say after someone sneezes? What would you say?
Wat zeg je als iemand niest? Gezondheid.
Gesundheit.
Gezondheid.
How is that not German? That's not the same?
Gezondheid.
Gesundheit.
Gezondheid.
And then Gesundheit.
It's a bit softer.
A bit softer. Oh, me.
It's a bit
Maybe
more
I was
Dutch.
meant to speak German.
It's all about the details, right?
Details, my favorite. Mm-hmm.
Dus je zegt dat je geboren bent in Amerika,
Ja.
maar nu woon jij. Waar woon je nu?
Wilrijk.
Welrijk. What country? In welk land is dat?
België.
België.
Ja.
En hoe lang ben je hier al?
Nederlands. Wait.
Hoe lang
Okay.
ben jij hier in België?
Sorry. I just tried to answer the question, what language do they speak here? And I said Netherlands, where my husband just clearly asked me how long have I been here in België. So that I would say 5 maanden, which is 5 months.
En we
Ja.
zeggen 5 maanden.
5 maanden. That's what I
Maanden.
said. That's what maanden. You the
Can
maanden.
you make that into a sentence?
Oh my.
Like,
Ik hebben.
ik woon.
Ik wat? Ik wat?
Woon.
Ik won hebben. Wait, ik won. Did I win a prize? I won. Ik won. Ik won.
5 maanden
Ik won 5 maanden
in België.
in België.
Ik
Ik won. Oké. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Ik won 5 maanden in België.
België.
In België.
Alright.
5 times. Dus.
Dus, from the top.
Oké, oh my. Oké.
Jij zegt, ik ben Cheyenne Cleymans.
Ik ben Cheyenne Cleymans. I am Cheyenne Cleymans.
Ik ben 31 jaar oud.
Ik ben 31
Jaar oud.
jaar oud. Oh, I am 31 years old.
31 jaar oud. 31.
31.
That's
Yeah, that's better. Quick side point. In Netherlands, they put the number, like the single digit, before the tens group. So instead of saying 31, we're kind of saying 1 of 30. Like 1 and 30. Yeah. That's cool, yeah? Very Dutch. Okay.
Ik ben geboren
Ik ben geboren in
in
New York. Ik ben geboren in New York. I am born in New York.
en
Ik woon
5
5 maanden in België. and I have lived in Belgium for 5 months. En ik spreek een beetje Nederlands.
Aha, een beetje meer.
Een beetje meer. A bit more vandaag. All that means, oh, sorry, he said he was going to say alsjeblieft, yeah? Okay, so let me just take that right back in saying that my husband and my plus daughter are great teachers, because I just said that I speak a little bit of Dutch, but then Kim said a little more, and then I said, yeah, today, which is vandaag. You guys got that? Who's ready to repeat? There's more, there's meer.
Okay, so that would be an A1 level. Making a small, short introduction of yourself.
That was A1. A1 level. Let's see what A2 or A2 has for me.
In an A2 level, we are going to have a short, small social interaction.
Oh boy, a social interaction. Are you trying to hit on me? We're going to have a social interaction. Flirt away, baby.
Tell me about what you do for a living.
Ja. I mean, that went Swedish for a moment. Je, I can. Ik ben fitnesscoach or gezond coach. Gezond coach. Gezondheidscoach. Oh, that's like a 4 or 4 syllables. Gezondheidscoach.
And
I am a health coach.
Health coach, gezondheidscoach. What do you do?
Ik houden van mannen en online. I try to say the words that I know. I love people online.
You love online.
I love online. That's what I said. Of social interactions. Okay, baby, so how would I say I coach people online?
But then what is that? I coach. What do you do?
Oh my, how do I even say this? It's very hard to say even in English what I do.
Okay, can I say?
I encourage?
I can say, ik coach mensen online.
Mensen. Ik coach mensen online.
Online.
Okay.
So then what do you do?
Okay, so what do I do in Netherlands? Ik ben een fitnesscoach or gezondheidscoach. Ik coach mensen online. Ja?
Awesome.
Yeah? Okay, that's a start.
It
Start.
It is a start.
It's a start.
What information would you like to share?
Ik hou wandelen aan de zee. I like to walk on the sea, I think I just said. Something like that. Ik hou van wandelen. Ik hou...
Chinese, man.
Chinese. This is a new language where we blend in Netherlands and in Engels, although that's not even Flanglish. That is my own special words. Wandelen. Ik hou wandelen van met plusdochter en mijn echtgenoot when he can keep up. That means I like to walk with my bonus daughter and my husband. So in A2, so in level A2, I'm expected to share not just what I do, but continue on a conversation more about what I like to do. Ik eten? Ik hou eten van pindakaas. Nee, ik hou van eten pindakaas.
Pindakaas eten.
Eten, oh my, okay. Ik hou van pindakaas eten. Whoa! I just did the inversion stuff. It's like literally what I just said. In Dutch is I love peanut butter. But in Dutch, what I actually said, what is that called? Exactly the word for word in English would be I love the peanut butter eat. Ja? Ik hou van pindakaas eten. I love to eat peanut butter.
Okay, can you repeat after me?
Ja, I think.
Ik hou ervan
Ik hou ervan
om heel veel
aan heel veel
te praten.
te praten. Ja, I know what I'm saying. I love to talk. That is heel. Wait, I remember this one. Oh my. It's there. It's right there. What's true? Go wait. Where.
Waar.
That's where.
Waar.
Where. Where is my mouth going to go now?